To always invited whoever wanted to come up and dance to dance. You know, my ohana just finished about 20 and a half, almost 21 years at the Waikiki Beach Marriott Resort. The Moana Terrace is where my tutu started playing music in Waikiki in 1995. And when she passed in 2008, she blessed me with her gift of music. And so I was able to slide in and sit in her chair and begin to learn the ropes for what it took to be able to share the music, to learn the old style, the traditional music, to be able to play on stage with my uncles and aunt, Gary Aiko, who is her oldest child of 12 children, along with Auntie Genoa who is currently the matriarch of the group, also the eldest in her generation of cousins, but she will be turning 90 this December, and she is still playing at the Marriott, driving into Waikiki every Thursday, and Friday and Saturday she's at Duke's. And then also we have master steel guitarist, who is the son of our senator, Dana Kaka, Mr. Alan Akaka, who also teaches Hawaiian music out of his home in Kailua, where my keiki have the opportunity to learn. And so my daughter, who is 12, has now been playing the steel guitar for 3 years because my tutu has blessed me with these relationships of aloha that she was able to foster. People who, because they love my tutu, will reach out to me to make sure that I can continue her legacy. And I was just telling some friends over there that, you know, this has become more than just a job or a kuleana for me, but it has become a comfort for me, a place where I can find my peace. When I share my music and I see smiles on people's faces, I can see the memories that you have of listening to my grandmother sing and how it brings you joy. And I feed off that energy, folks. Being a young mother of 4 and married for, what? I forget. Feels like 50. Or is 50, wait, is 50 supposed to feel better? 55 feels better than 15? 15 is rough, Auntie. Do I need to stick it out? Yes. Happy anniversary over there to Uncle Herbert and Auntie for celebrating 55 years. Marriage is such a special thing, but I just want to mahalo all of you for sharing your aloha without even telling me the stories of meeting my grandmother or listening to her or being married to her music, her playing at your wedding. I'm able to feel of that energy here on this stage, and that's why I enjoy doing what I do. So mahalo for allowing me to share with all of you. So we're gonna do this next medley in honor of her, and if you know the hula, I want to encourage you to come up and dance these hula. Like I said, she was big on, you know, hula and Hawaiian music accompanying our hula. She was able to take her music to Carnegie Hall to sing Papalina Lahilahi, and people were up in the aisles dancing with the Makaha Sons on stage, you know. And so if you can imagine hula being performed in the aisles and in the chairs at Carnegie Hall, you know, Tutu had that kind of spirit. Could you sit down, please? It made people want to get up and dance.
There you go, Barb.
He ho he no kei keaku ke kai moa no nui ke aloha e hiki poi nei me ke aloha kalipoa. Mai mana ko aho ako e kali ko e kaulu no no mukula o ya mo chu la la e o ni an I o ya nei ho ako e kali ko e kaulu no no mukula o ya mo ku la e o ni an I o ya nei Haina mai kapuana kalipu me kalipu hoa pili ue me kapae anot ni me kalipalu Haina mai kapuana kalipu me kalipu hoa pili ue me kapae anot ni me kalipalu All right, stay on stage if you know the next song. Hello, oh, Papalina Lahi, oh, Uluwehi, mahalo, hello, oh, Papalina Lahi, oh, Uluwehi, o ka ala vikiana mai ui kia no o wela he pua oi uma aku ia he aha no I ka una o cha ala vikiana mai ui kia no o wela he pua oi uma aku ia Aavi hemolele Mai ke poa kahi u he no mo I ka ula o cha pula le la le ana mai Havi he mulele I aga Mai ke poa kahi u